How to remove Roblox games from Continue. Let's get started. Launch your Roblox app, or also you can launch your Roblox account in the web version. Once logged in, you will be directed to this page. Now here you're going to find different section. You'll also find this section of Continue. Under that you're going to find all the games that you have played before. Now how to remove the games from Continue section. Click on the option of See All. You're going to find all the list of the games that you have played before. Here you won't get any option to remove it. Likewise, click on the option of Settings given at the top right. From the list of options, click on the option Settings. Here you're going to find different option, but you will not find the option to remove Roblox games from Continue session. Unfortunately, after exploring the options in Settings and even looking through the Profile section, you might notice there is not a direct way to remove games from Continue section. As of now, there is no official feature that Roblox has released to delete games from Continue section. It's a bit of a letdown, but Roblox has not provided a specific tool for this. So while we don't have an exact solution, I hope this video at least clarified why you might not be finding a delete option. Managing the Continue section can be tricky, but Roblox might add an option in the future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.